Welcome back to those who are here, those who are not. And yeah, like I explained in my last video, my dad's species or whatever in the world they are interdimensional aliens just like myself. But humans cannot call them that because it's racism and it affects their body physically. So please don't call me that because it'll actually affect my body physically. But since I'm in a human form, it's going to affect me differently. And since I'm half human instead of a full on interdimensional alien, well, technically I am, but I'm not. I, I came here willingly, but leaving willingly is going to be a lot harder because when deadborns or my dad's species come here, they take on a human aspect. So they, for one, they go through the whole entire cycle of choosing a body and creating it. Well, they create anything out of their own matter. Like, that's where I got my whole entire matter theory of humans being able to create it, like, willingly and a piece of themselves. So it's not impossible for a human to create matter out of nothing, but it's gonna take a damn lot to do it. So please, anybody who's trying to do that, please be careful because it can cause a lot of bad things to happen in certain cases. Like, I could go on and on about my matter theory, but it's probably gonna have to come for the next video after this one. So yeah, this, like, now when I came here, I was not. Now, deadborns on the other hand are not all knowing. We study everything in heaven, and we study humans. But on the other hand, we do not study Pacific humans or beings. Like, I'll explain all Deadborn powers and training in the video after the next one.
These things are yours.
Sorry about that. I had to talk to someone. Yeah, so Deadborn training is a little bit different from interdimensional being or interdimensional alien training. Interdimensional alien training is a one-on-one or a two-on-two. You train your mind and, in certain cases, body to withstand interdimensional travel. That's where the certain types of training come in, but mostly you're training your mind because you are gonna see a lot of weird stuff when you travel to other dimensions. Now, my dad's species, they can travel anywhere in the world or any other dimension. I have a theory on multi dimensions, but right now I only know the two. But yeah, so I will explain some of my abilities, but that will be the next video. I'll explain Deadborn abilities and my dad's species abilities. So sorry about that. I just got that cleared out of the way just now. So yeah. Now, in the video after that, I will explain what these different dimensions, like my dad's dimension and heaven, are like. I will try to give the best description as I can, because considering that when we were over there, we deadborns don't have a body in heaven. We are just there. We can choose to form a body. Like, technically, this is Deadborns don't, like, we're not in heaven fully. We're in the middle of every dimension that's ever been and ever will be created. So any new dimensions that come up, we're in the middle of all of them. Because for one, we're the only ones that can actually see these other dimensions and also appear to other Deadborns or other people that are chi or spiritual sensitive. It's kind of like the Force, but I'm not going to compare it to that because that's really... Now, on the other hand, before Deadborns came to the physical plane of existence, we found a lot of different human things that were compared to our abilities and way of life offensive, because we are technically human in our physical bodies, but one way or another, we are still supernatural beings. We can turn that right off if we chose to. So, all people who see a Deadborn, please do not try to offend us. And I'll tell you that in a video after the next one. So there's going to be 3 videos next. So for a while I'm going to explain everything about Deadborns and interdimensional aliens, like my dad's species, and Deadborn physiology. Now, Deadborn physiology will be very confusing because we don't have a physical body unless we choose to. So yeah, after this video I'm going to explain interdimensional beings and their experiences, like if they come to the physical plane of existence, or if they choose to go back to their plane of existence, and what their abilities are. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Stay in the light, and always remember to meditate deeply and softly.